In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view workflow history in n8n. If you want to quickly check what happened in a workflow, whether you're reviewing past runs, troubleshooting an issue, or simply confirming that everything worked as expected, knowing where to find the workflow history is essential. The good news is that this action is very simple once you know where to look. Start by opening n8n and going to the workflow you want to inspect. Make sure you're on the main workflow canvas so you can see the editor clearly. From here, direct your attention to the upper right area of the screen. This is where several important controls are located, including options related to workflow activity and execution details. What you need to look for is the small round arrow in the top right corner. It may appear subtle at first, so take a second to scan that area carefully. This icon is the one that gives you access to the workflow history. Once you find it, click on it. After clicking the small round arrow, n8n will open the workflow history view. This is where you can review previous executions and better understand how the workflow has been running over time. Depending on your setup and how often the workflow runs, you may see a list of recent executions along with details that help you identify successful runs or spot failures. This area is especially useful when you're debugging a workflow. If something didn't run the way you expected, the workflow history can help you trace back what happened. It's also helpful for verifying whether a workflow executed at all, especially if you're working with automations that trigger in the background. If you don't immediately recognize the icon, try hovering carefully around the upper right controls until you find the correct button. Interface layouts can feel busy at first, but once you have used this feature once or twice, it becomes much easier to remember, and that's really all there is to it. To view workflow history in n8n, simply go to your workflow and click the small round arrow in the upper right corner. It's a quick action, but it's an important one for monitoring, reviewing, and troubleshooting your automations efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate n8n more confidently.